this video I'm going to show you how to edit the blacks in a picture in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We open the picture and then we have to open the editing menu. It's this icon on the right side of the panel. If we tap on this or press E, it opens up. Then in this panel we have to find the light section, and in the light section we have to find the black editing option. Now if we move the slider under the black editing option to the right, then the blacks in the picture are going to become lighter. But if we move it to the left, then the blacks in the image are going to become darker. We can see it very easily if we zoom in here in this part. If we move it to the left, it's dark, and if we move it to the right, it's bright. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.